Hey there. Hey, is your video doorbell picking up private conversations? We're here to help. Technology has allowed us to move from the traditional two-tone doorbell to something far more complex. Video doorbells first appeared for commercial use around 2013. As with much technology, there's a dark side that most people don't know about. Having video baked into your doorbell is super convenient, as you can quickly take a glance at your videos from your mobile phone sitting on a couch. Hello, who's there? Hello. I took a picture this morning. Take a look at it. In addition, there's a two-way microphone speaker, so you can also talk to the visitor, like, drop the pizza on the table. But few people realize that the doorbell can record everything you do and say. And it isn't just your doorbell, it's that of your neighbors, and your neighbors. If you happen to talk ill of them, for example, complain to a friend about their barking dog, or perhaps their trash bins left out while walking by, their doorbell might record your conversation. Super frowned upon. The recording capabilities vary between models and brands, but Consumer Reports launched an investigation into what people can hear and how far away they can do so. According to the report, the Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus captures clear audio from up to 18 feet away. An Arlo Ultra security camera can record identical speech from 30 feet away. Hey, you get off my yard! No. The distances might not seem that great, but consider that many houses or apartments connect to the sidewalk in only about a few steps. But how can you tell if someone in their doorbell is recording you? The short answer is that you'll never really know. However, a small red LED light illuminates when the function activates on some Ring devices. So what can you do about it? Recording audio or video at your home when you set it up isn't as scary as someone else recording your conversations. But while you can't control how others set up their device, you can regulate what your video doorbell records. If you don't change any settings on your Ring device, it automatically records video and audio as soon as it detects motion. It continues for 2 minutes or until it no longer detects motion. To stop the Ring from recording the audio, here's what you need to do. You open up your Ring app, then you tap the 3 lines on the top left. Tap Devices, select the device you would like to adjust, then you tap Device Settings. Tap Device Privacy Settings then. Then finally tap the Audio Streaming and Recording toggle. Wired Ring devices also allow you to adjust the video recording length from 50 seconds to 120 seconds, which is the default, so you can make them shorter. When you're in the device settings of the app, you just tap on the video settings and then tap on video recording length, and then have a Ring Protect subscription plan. If you have one of those things, I guess that's great, because recordings are viewable up to 60 days through the app. You can also save or share them with neighborhood groups. Hey, we hope that these tips help you. We try to provide them on an ongoing basis. Thank you, Kim Commando, for your advice. We've got your back here at Normal Gadgets. If we can assist you in any way, please stop by our store here at 802 South El Dorado Road in Bloomington. Or you can give us a call. Our phone number is 309-807-3333. Thanks a lot. Ding, ding.